Welcome to another video of solving for percents using proportions. This question asks us to find the percentage of 240 that is 130. I said that a little different, so let's read it as it says here in the question. 130 is what percent of 240? So when we're dealing with percents, one thing we need to keep in mind that percent translates to per 100. So we want to just make an equation, we want to make a fraction rather, where we can write this as an equivalent fraction out of 100. So our proportions will allow us to take the proportion is over of is equal to percent over 100 and convert this solving for the percent. The is the part or portion, and the of is the total. So in this question here, 130 is the part or a piece of the total. So 240 is the total. Now from here we're going to make our proportion. I'm going to say 130 on top is the numerator because it's attached to the is. 240 is in the denominator because it's attached to the of, is equal to the percent over 100. Now for this, we're going to use a variable. We can use any variable we want to try and solve for the percent. I'm going to use the variable x because it looks like a percent symbol, but you can use any letter or any symbol that you want to. And we're just going to solve by cross multiplying. Recall that proportions have equal cross products. So as long as we set these two equal to each other, these cross products equal to each other, we can solve for x and therefore find the percent. When we do cross multiplication, we always want to remove the fractions. The whole point of this is to get rid of the fractions so we can have just a simple linear equation. When we cross multiply, we will get 13,000. 13 with one zero, we add two more zeros to it, and 240 times x, or 240x. We'll set these equal to, as I was just explaining. Now, since we are trying to solve for x, we need to do the opposite operation. In this case, they are attached with multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide both sides by 240. We'll do 13,000 divided by 240. And we'll get that x is equal to 54.16 repeated. Now this looks like it's 0.166666667, but the reason for this is your calculator can only display so many decimal places before it runs out of room. So the next number in this array would be another 6. But our rules of rounding still apply. A 6 will be rounded up to a 7. That's why your calculator displays this. This really is 16 repeated. Now it asks us to give our answer to one decimal place, or the 10th place value. So to do that, I always like to look at the value in the 10th place, or the given place value, and look to its right. If it's 5 or more, we're going to round up. If it is 0 to 4, we're going to round down or keep the same. So in this case, it's a 6, we're going to round up. So the answer here will be 54.2%. Now let's just confirm that that makes sense. 240, if I were to cut that in half, 120 is half of 240. 130 is just a little bit more than 120, so therefore it makes sense that it's a little bit more than 50%. Thanks for watching.